how to be more confident. Confidence is key to success as an entrepreneur. If you don't have that mojo, charisma, and that swagger, it's gonna cost you. So there may be times in your life where you feel like you've lost confidence because either you don't like how your body looks, or maybe you just had a breakup, or maybe you just lost a big client. And yet, as an entrepreneur, you must protect and cultivate your mojo. I'm gonna give you some tips. First, remember, you have a long history of winning. Every single challenge you've ever had, you overcame. Rebuild that confidence by looking backwards on your timeline. You see, often we're looking forward and we're upset because we're here and we want to be there, because we're goal-setting people and we set these goals and we're like frustrated we're not there yet. I want to be there. We're always comparing ourselves to other people. But if you look backwards and you go, man, I've come pretty far. Number two, make a list of things that build your confidence. I call this list the confidence menu. And there's two things on that menu that I am employing right now. One of them for me is getting a haircut. When you get a haircut, you walk out of the barber shop like a boss. The second one is put on a suit, or in your case, put on the clothes that makes you feel like a boss. Key number three, call a friend and say, gas me up, light me up. Call a friend and say, what are 3 things you love about me? You can build your own confidence internally, and there's no shame in the game of getting that confidence externally from people. Another one that should go on that list is go to the gym. Because when you go to the gym, then you tell yourself, I can do hard things, I can lift heavy things, I feel good, the energy's flowing in my body. If you like that video, subscribe. And if you would like to get on stages and share your message, and if you'd like to attract more clients with your stories and with your confidence, then book a one-on-one strategy call with me. The link is in my bio.